Hello Hacktubers and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, here I have three different products that I ordered from Aliexpress, and all three of them are different, but they are very useful, and I have already made a full video reviews for all of them, but I get a couple of comments where people need some solutions. So in this video I'm gonna explain and demonstrate how they work. And we're gonna start with the first AliExpress product that costs around $5 US. And what is it? It's a Bluetooth 5.4 audio receiver transmitter. Remember that it's a receiver and transmitter, aux USB adapter with LED display. Also you can put a micro SD card, playback for car, for TV, for speaker, for personal computer, for whatever you want. And that guy is this one. We're gonna start with that one. So we have three different products. They are almost identical, but with different functions. These two are the same, but this one have built-in battery, this one is powered with the USB. And this one, it's only receiver, but the special function of this one is that he transmit FM frequency. These two are Bluetooth. So first we're gonna start with this one, and it's a Bluetooth USB Bluetooth adapter, also comes with the aux cable. And take a look, it's powered by the Type A USB. And just to grab a USB, plug in, power on. It says Bluetooth. We have some kind of effect that doesn't work. So basically, if you have a retro boombox just like mine, which this one is GVC, and the model is 9475W, it's very old, maybe older than 30 years, and you have this Bluetooth adapter, and you need aux cable just like this one. So the 3.5 millimeter you plug into the Bluetooth adapter, and these RCA jacks go to the audio input of the retro boombox. There it says line in. I'm gonna plug in. So this Bluetooth adapter, beside that, is giving 3.5 millimeter audio output on that jack. You can also put a micro SD card with MP3 songs and directly to play on the boombox. Sorry for the noise. Let's plug in. And by the way, you will tell me how it sounds. Wow! Play, pause. Next. Wow! And by the way, it's stereo. Just my level meter on the left side is not working. Next. Let's hear this one. Awesome. Please tell me in the comments how is the sound. It's perfect, clear, crystal clear. Take a look. Pause. I'm gonna remove it. You hear the sound. You can see that the receiver icon is flashing. That meaning that this thing can receive Bluetooth audio and give it through the aux cable, but also I can change that to be a transmitter. Take a look now. And if you connect your speaker, it will automatically connect with the Bluetooth adapter, and so you can play music on Bluetooth speakers just like this one. Isn't that nice that this gadget is transmitter and receiver, and it will automatically connect with the Bluetooth speaker. Some of the speakers doesn't have micro SD cards, so this function is great. So I show you this Bluetooth adapter, and this one is the same as this one, but it have a built-in battery, so it's a rechargeable. And take a look, I'm gonna hold it, and it's working, and you can take it anywhere. But in some cases you need the Bluetooth adapter to be plugged into the USB, but in some cases you need a portable device just like this one, which is rechargeable and also comes with the aux cable and short Type-C cable for charging. And let me show you what you can do using this. So it's the same as previous, but on the only positive thing is that it's portable and it have a rechargeable battery. And take a look, now I'm playing the music from my micro SD card. You can control for next, previous, controlling the volume. It's nice. Alright, working beautiful. Sorry for dummy songs, but what I can do, I don't want to get a copyright strike. And also, just to turn it off, also this one you can choose to be a receiver or transmitter. We have a small switch right here, turning off and turning on, a micro SD card slot, just to pull, I can't, oh here it is, okay, and one button for turning off and on. And take a look how fast it is. Beautiful. All the links will be in description below, so you can check them. And believe me, this kind of Bluetooth adapters are very popular and very useful if you want to hear some music on your old retro speakers or boom boxes or whatever you have. So yes, it's the same as the previous. You can connect it to your Bluetooth speaker without problem and play some music from the micro SD card. Take a look. You can control also the volume, the tracks. Why? Oh, nice. I love this song. Pause. Play. Beautiful, beautiful. It's working great. And I most love it that it's portable, rechargeable. And the last adapter is this one, which is also a Bluetooth adapter, but it's in the same time it's a FM transmitter. Let me show you. When you power up, here you, whoa, this is the opposite way. Here it shows that the Bluetooth icon and also the frequency that will transmit, so you can receive it on your FM radio. And in the same time it have an aux cable, it have a micro SD card and 3 buttons for controlling the music. Let's hear it. The boombox is set the frequency on 107 megahertz and also is the same frequency on the Bluetooth adapter. And take a look. Now I'm gonna insert the micro SD card.
SD card mode.
SD card mode. Did you hear it? Yeah. Volume. volume maximum 30, pause, previous. Ooh, working great. Working like a charm. Isn't that beautiful? And I forgot to tell you, also you can connect the Bluetooth adapter with your smartphone and play some music from the smartphone through the Bluetooth adapter going to the FM receiver or boombox. Beautiful. One more time, all the products will be in description below so you can check them. As I told you, we have three different Bluetooth adapters. Just to show you to you one more time. And here are they. So this one is without battery, and it's a receiver and transmitter, also a Bluetooth audio receiver, and works on the type A USB. This one is the same but with built-in battery, and this special function is because the FM transmitter. Besides, all of them are playing with the micro SD card and MP3 songs. Okay, that was all for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya tomorrow.